Connecting your smartphone and Acura is simple, fast, and if done properly, permanent. Under the Settings menu, you can use the scroll wheel to select Bluetooth phone settings. Before pairing your phone, make sure there aren't too many devices connected. Scroll to Bluetooth device list and you'll see all the attached phones. If there are too many, you can delete them by selecting the device and highlighting Delete this device. Now confirm your decision. Once the Acura has removed the device, you will be given the option to add a new smartphone. Be sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on, go to the device screen, and wait for Hands-Free to appear. Then select it. Once your car has found your device, select it on the Heads Up menu, and your phone will be sent a code. Confirm that code on your phone, and you'll have the ability to access your music, messages, and phone calls without taking your hands off the wheel in just a matter of moments. Remember, we discourage distracted driving, and we encourage you to always drive safe.